Strong criticism of the British Security Service over former Guantanamo Bay detainee Binyam Mohamed has been published by one of the country's leading judges. The decision by Lord Neuberger, the Master of the Rolls, was despite government objections. He said denials by the Security Service of knowing of any ill treatment of US terror suspect detainees didn't seem to have been true in Mr Mohamed's case. The judge ruled the evidence showed some officials appeared to have a dubious record relating to actual involvement and frankness about any such involvement with the mistreatment of Mr Mohamed when he was held at the behest of US officials. Mr Mohamed says he was tortured in Pakistan in 2002 while held by the US with the knowledge of MI5. Foreign Secretary David Miliband failed to block a High Court decision to publish a 7-paragraph summary of what MI5 knew about his ill treatment. These latest remarks by Lord Neuberger have led to further calls for a full public inquiry into allegations the UK has been complicit in torture. Home Secretary Alan Johnson rushed to the defence of the Security Service.
I'm the Minister responsible for our security services. We do not engage in torture. As I've said, we don't condone torture or mistreatment. We don't encourage others to do it on our behalf. We have led the world in seeking to eradicate the use of these kind of measures. And as the judgment, I think, fully endorses, there is a very strict ethos of human rights within our security service, which in the most incredibly difficult situation they adhere to whilst protecting the public from terrorist attack.
Mr Johnson also said allegations regarding one MI5 officer alleged to have known of Mr Mohamed's ill treatment had been referred by the government to the Attorney General and were being investigated by police. Lord Carlisle, who's the independent reviewer of terror laws, said it was important that that investigation wasn't compromised.
What has been disclosed will have, I think, much exaggerated importance given to it. The crucial thing in the Binyam Mohamed case, and indeed any related case, is that we await the investigation which officers from the Metropolitan Police are now conducting to see if there really is evidence that any official or operative of the security services did anything criminal.
Gordon Brown has also defended MI5, saying the UK had the finest intelligence services in the world and condemned torture without reservation.